So I have one more cue card. Sorry for that. Hello, first of all. I have one more cue card and we will discuss this now. The title of the cue card is Describe a country where you would like to work for a short time. And the questions are where you would like to work. Second question is what kind of job would it be? When would you like to go? Why you want to work there? As I have did a little bit preparation for this cue card, I think I can start speaking now. If I were to ask which country I would like to go to work for a brief period of time, then definitely I would choose United Arab Emirates, and especially for its beautiful city Dubai. Secondly, if it were up to me, then definitely I would go there next year because of my personal reasons. As I work in the banking sector and my current contract will be expired at the end of this year, and I'm certain that it will not be renewed by the end of next year. So I will have a whole year to spend in Dubai. I have chosen Dubai for so many reasons, and the most important reason is that there is no tax on salary, which means that I will be able to save so much money by the end of my tenure there. Apart from that, Dubai is a very big city and it is one of the biggest cities of UAE. In UAE, there are numerous provinces, and all the provinces have been developed beautifully, and all those provinces have many fantastic buildings and different beaches. In UAE, there is a building, the world's largest, or I should say the tallest building, Burj Khalifa. So I would be able to see that building. And apart from that, as I love beaches, there is a very large beach. It's called Palm Island. I would be able to go there and spend some time there. Apart from that, there are many leisure facilities as well, like libraries, amusement parks, and some refreshment centers. So because of all these reasons, I have chosen this country, and I think this is the country where I would love to go to work for a short period of time. Okay, I don't know how did I perform, but I guess I was able to answer all these questions. Where you would like to work, what kind of job it will it be. I'm not sure whether I answered this question, but I will have to remember. I just, when after the end of the cue card, it's just memory loss phase. And when would you like to go? It's next year. Why you want to work there? Because of my personal reasons and because of the major thing that is no taxation there. So I will be able to save so much money. So I guess I have answered most of the questions, but it is very important to answer all the questions in order to get at least 7 bands in general training. Otherwise, if I miss even a single question, then there is no chance that they will give me 7 bands, even though my speaking is fantastic, fabulous, or matchless. It doesn't matter unless I answer all the questions. And apart from that, let's talk about this book. This is Arayut by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Today I was able to finish almost 30 to 40 pages. I'm not sure exactly, but here things are significantly developing. The story is building up, as now Arkady, the main protagonist of our novel, he has left his father's house and he's in his lodging. It's a separate lodging, and he's not staying at Wasim's house anymore because he doesn't want to disturb Wasim. And Wasim is a busy person. He works somewhere, I don't know exactly. And this character, this our hero of this novel, he thinks a lot, and he immediately forms judgments about others or about other events, and he thinks that he knows everything. I think so. From my experience so far, I have reckoned that this is his way of living, or this is his style of thinking. One interesting development is that now because of a certain development in the novel related to two important letters. He is on very good terms with his father, so his father visits him in his new lodging, and they usually talk about a lot of things related to society, politics, and some ancient, not ancient exactly, some old anecdotes which are quite prevalent in the Russian society. And he has found that even though his father answers most of his questions, but his father answers most of the times evasively. He doesn't answer directly, or sometimes when he starts answering the questions directly, he ends the answer quite generally, like on some, he generalize his answer from specialization to generalization. It's quite wonderful and quite unique in itself. And also, once he was this character, he's at his acquaintance place, and there he finds his sister as well. And when he sees his sister in some at that place, he immediately runs away from that house, and he's almost running at that time, and suddenly his sister overtakes him and stops him, that why is he running. And then they talk, and suddenly they become very good friends, because he hasn't met his sister most of the times of his life, so he is very open to his sister, and they say that they will be very friendly, and they will meet each other, and they talk about so many, delicate and friendly things that I can't discuss here, because I will lose the essence if I start talking about. But the development is very interesting. And yeah, this is all about this video so far, and I wish you good luck for your IELTS exam, and I hope you will do best. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much if you are still here watching this video till the end of it. Thank you. Have a good day.